Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Vinny and Minnie. If this is your first time with us, you have been missing out. As we like to say around here, it is Tuesday. So what do we got? It is Newsday Tuesday, and this week right now on Tuesday, we are talking about contract rollover. It is all about the contract rollover here today. Make sure that you understand it is risky to be doing that trading. Understand all the risks that are involved before you get involved. But if you are so inclined and you would like to do what we do, you might want to follow us over here on our social media, especially here on Instagram, where we're having most fun, and right here if you want to learn how we earn in our Discord channel chats with all the other members, right down in the description down below. Don't forget, Friday is the last day to get gold lifetime offer, and yes, we do have that payment plan option. It is expiring on Friday when the website is completed, and it will be completed come hell or high water on this one. It's happening. I'm super excited. AlgoBoxPro.com, VinnyMini.com is going away. Last chance, VinnyMini.com/final offer. All right, don't say I didn't tell you so. And let's take a peek at what we're doing here on contract rollover. I want to teach you guys something here tonight if you have not done this before. Now, I know a lot of times you guys just rely on myself or one of the members to tell you, hey, contract rollover is coming, or NinjaTrader will pop up a little error box message for you as you launch NinjaTrader. It says, hey, contract rollover, do you want us to roll this over for you? But if you are kind of like me and you might leave your charts on overnight, you may not see that message. So I'm going to teach you guys a way. If you want to know how or when you need to roll over your contracts, let's find out. Okay, if you are just like, well, I don't have access to the Discord room, I can't ask somebody or whatever, and you want to do it on your own, right? There are some of you guys who you just want to know how to do it on your own. I'm going to show you here tonight. So first thing you want to do is go over into your NinjaTrader control panel area. So I'm going to bring over my NinjaTrader control panel. I'll drop it right here. Fits perfectly. All right, and we are going to do a new market analyzer. Okay, now that's going to pop open a window that looks like this. Now, you know me, I'm a NASDAQ fan, so first thing I want to add to this market analyzer, let me see if I make this a little bit bigger. Okay, it's going to be real small or big, but you might want to save one of these off on the side. You can save it in your workspace however you'd like, but get a market analyzer, and I'm going to right click in here, and I'm an NQ fan, so I'm just going to add NASDAQ. Now, we're on the 0322 contract right now, so of course we want that one, but all we're going to do is add the next contract rollover month. Now, I don't want to say the next month because it's not just 03, you don't go to 04. You need to understand the cycles of how contracts roll over, which again, if you don't know about that kind of stuff, head on over to my YouTube channel and look for this video right here on contract rollover. Just type in Vinny Mini contract rollover. It'll probably pop up, but this is the video on how I approach contract rollover. Lots of details on that. If you want to know all the details, go check out that video. Tonight is just about how to check these real quick. Now, I already know, because I already know how contract rollover works with the E-minis, I know that this rolls over quarterly, so I already know that the next contract month is going to be the 06 contract. Okay, so here I'm going to go add instrument, and I'm going to add the NASDAQ 06 contract. All I want to do is have these two side by side. You see I've got the NQ and the 06. I've got those side by side. These are two separate contracts. Now I want to add a column, because you'll notice this is by default. You only have these three columns right here. I want to add a column to this. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to columns, and I want to scroll down until I see volume. And we want to look at the volume between these two, and then we're going to compare them. That's what we're going to do here. So where is my, oh, I think it's daily volume. Hold on. Daily volume. Sorry, there it is. Daily volume. Double click it. Now it adds down there. Click OK. Boom. All right, so now we can scroll this out, and it's pretty clear right now on a Tuesday that we are still supposed to be on the top one. What we want to do is be on the contract month that has the most contracts being traded. Well, right now we are still on the 03 contract. As you can see, it is Tuesday. Now remember, we are typically going to roll these over on Friday at the end of the week. So on Friday, that's when we're going to be, you know, really flipping this over. But I will check this on Thursday in the evening and on Friday morning. Those are the 2 days that I will check that, just to make certain that, you know, sometimes the full volume shifts over. It just depends, because it's really how many people have swapped over to that new contract and started trading on it. And it's not necessarily people, sometimes it is algorithms, right? So if the algorithms have shifted over, you want to be on the other one. It's as simple as this. Whichever one is the largest, that's the one that you want to be on. Okay, this coming Friday, these numbers will swap, so pay attention to this. Save this off on the side, and now you've got your market analyzer for yourself to check. So I am going to toss this off on the side. Now again, on the next month, what am I going to do? I'm going to add the 09 contract here, right? And I can see that one. In fact, I can go ahead and add it right now if NinjaTrader will let me, but I don't want to take the time to do that, because we're going to try to keep our video short here tonight. Believe it or not, we are going to attempt it. That is almost impossible for me. As you guys know, I put a lot of details into a lot of our videos. contract rollover this week. Now, what else does contract rollover bring? Again, go back and watch this video, please. Very important to understand. I'm going to give the brief on what we should expect this week. It is Tuesday. We've got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday already are great days for us to be trading some of our tops. Now, not necessarily Friday. Friday is early in, early out, but Wednesday and Thursday, these are going to be really big days, especially because we've also got earnings reports, biggest day on Thursday coming in as well, with the most number of businesses reporting on Thursdays. Now, this week, I think just today, there was over 200 reporting today. So on Thursday, we're probably going to be in the near 300 or 400 reporting, possibly on Thursday, along with contract rollover. So we're going to see a lot of volatility. What does that mean? A couple things. Looking at this week is on NASDAQ. You might have to take NASDAQ off the table, okay? Or what else can you do to slow down NASDAQ? You are going to push the lowest time frame up, all the time frames up. So how do I do that? I'm going to go over here, right click, go to my data series. Okay, for my twos, and most of the time I want to kind of have this on threes anyways, but when it gets super fast on Thursday, this might even go up to a 4. Does everybody understand that? Okay, in Q3s, you may have to go to 4 on Thursday if you're still going to trade the NASDAQ. Now, if that goes to 4, what are we going to do with the rest of these? So let's say this one, bottom, goes lowest time frame, going to 4. Well, what do I need to do with this one? This one obviously needs to go up as well. Let's bump this up to data series. Pop this one to a 6. Let it reload. This one right here, I don't necessarily want to go to a 10 so much on this one. We're going to pop this one up to a 9 though on my NQ. I do like to have this just trust me, there's reasons. You can go to 10, try it out, but I think the bars get too big and you're so close at that point to riding a wave size that you're not getting much benefit between this one and this one right here. There's still a significant difference between 6 and 9 on our algos. These are fractal values. Okay, very simple. So this is the layout that you might want to have for Thursday or any other day that you get super high volatility. Oh, look at that beauty right there. Wow. That is a yummy short right there. Okay, so those are the things we want to cover here tonight. Contract rollover for this week. Newsday Tuesday. That is the news, and I am going to catch you guys tomorrow. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, I am sending out the big H down. See ya.